Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's see what Nifty and Bank Nifty can do tomorrow. I hope everybody have captured this up move in Nifty and Bank Nifty today. So exactly here at 1:04 p.m. I posted in my free WhatsApp group that we are at crucial level, crucial support level. From here we can go long in Nifty and also in Bank Nifty. So that was my view. Exactly market have made bottom here, and from here we have seen a rally upside. Along with this, I also said my view is bullish for rest of this week when I posted this level here. From here exactly today itself, market have rallied almost 300 plus points in Nifty and almost 1000 plus points in Bank Nifty. So if you go and see here, exactly I've posted this level when price tested this zone. Exactly I posted here we are at support. We can go long in Nifty. From here Nifty have recovered 300 plus points, and exactly at 1:04 p.m. I've posted. So that was on 1 hour time frame, but if you see on 5 minutes time frame, exactly from here market made a bottom and market have moved upside. There are many things which I will check to find the bottoms, to find the tops. So we have captured many bottoms, we have captured many tops in Nifty, Bank Nifty till now. So if you see, so in this move also we have entered 23,800 here exactly at this bottom, and we have exited our positions exactly here at the top. And here we have not taken any trades, we have just traded some intraday trades here and there. Again we entered its bottom here, and I asked them to book 80% of profits here when market have made a surprising move to everyone. For me it was not surprising, but for most of the people it was a surprising move. So we have booked like at least 70 to 80% of our positions here today with good profits, and rest we are holding for the rest of this week. So that was our view in Nifty and Bank Nifty as of today. But what happens tomorrow? So these are the levels I've shared with you all in yesterday's YouTube video as well. So I clearly said market might open gap up today. So if market trades about 2488 level, market will be bullish. But market opened gap up, came down again exactly from our level. Market have closed this 15 minutes candle here about 24088 level, and from here we have seen that move. Even if you would have followed the video, followed the levels, you would have captured this move. At least if not the whole move, at least you would have captured half of the move, because by seeing profit you might not hold the trade. So to hold the trade you need to have a strong psychology. So that were a few questions people were asking me today. To hold the trade we need to know proper analysis, why market is making the move. If you know that proper analysis, what levels, what strategy, what data is telling, what price is telling, if we know all these things, we can hold our trade with proper conviction and with proper psychology. And I also clearly said in yesterday's video, I will be only bearish if Nifty closes below this zone. Till then I am bullish for the rest of the week. This is what I've clearly said in yesterday's video. And Bank Nifty also, if you see, I clearly said under which level I will be bearish in Bank Nifty. So I clearly said in Bank Nifty, I will be only bearish if Bank Nifty closes below 54,330 to 400 zone. Below this only I will be bearish, and I've given this levels also. This levels I've not prepared myself, just for the namesake. I've given yesterday these levels for you just by drawing that Fibonacci tool. If you have seen yesterday's video, you would have known that these levels just with Fibonacci tools I have given, because I know market is not going to come down and test these levels. Now market direction is upward, it have to go upward only. So exactly again I said clearly above this level. Okay, if you see a 15 minutes candle closing above this level 54,702 800 zone, so we will be long. First target will be this level, second target will be this level, and this is the third target. Max I said 3 targets we can see for the upside. Okay, so and this is the extra move which market have made today. So now what is there for tomorrow? Okay, tomorrow is simple. Okay, you should not enter at these high levels for the long. In case if market opens gap up somewhere here, you wait for the pullback. Okay, you wait for the pullback to this level 55,710 to 770 level, and wait for a green candle to close here either in 5 minutes time frame or 15 minutes time frame. Then you can initiate long by keeping stop loss here below this zone and entry here, and your first target will be 56,153 to 210 zone. Above this Our next target will be 56,630 to 720. Above this, we will be seeing 57,106 to 190. So again, this is the max level we might see tomorrow, because the move already happened today. So this tomorrow it might go sideways, or else you might see some gap up followed by sideways. Okay, so that might going to happen tomorrow. Don't expect very big move like today, and don't enter huge quantity, and if market goes sideways, premium will get decay and you will go into the loss. Don't do that mistake tomorrow. So this is one scenario on the pullback. Now if market opens flat, okay, and break out this zone and close a 15 minutes candle above this zone, you wait for this zone retest. And if a 3 minute 5 minute candle, green candle creating here, then you initiate your trade above that candle and this zone below as your stop loss. And as I said, your targets will be this, your upside targets. You know what are the upside targets. Okay, this is another scenario. And if market opens huge gap up, and if market comes to this level, which is this candle, which is 56,960 level, if market comes to 56,960 level, okay, and if you see a 3 minute 5 minute candle, green candle here also you can initiate your trade for the long. This only you will initiate at this level, 56,970. If market opens a big gap up, comes back and touch this level, then you can initiate. And the other two scenarios which we have already discussed. For the downside, so downside, after this big move, I am not expecting a downside. Don't prefer any trades at least tomorrow, even though you see some setups forming for the downside. So I myself will not prefer any trades for the downside tomorrow. In case if I see any trades going downside, and if I feel confident and data is suggesting us to go for the downside, then I will be sharing those views in my free WhatsApp community. You can join there. If you are not part of that WhatsApp community, I will provide that link here in the description. You can join there, but I am not giving any downside view, downside levels for today. Okay, so this is my view in Bank Nifty. Now coming back to Nifty market is there between our levels. If you see from almost 7 days, 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, 4, 5, 6, 7, and today is the 8th day. Almost from 8 days, market is just between these levels, going up, coming down, going within same day. If you see every day, market went up, came down, market went up, came down. Again, market went up, came down. This market came down, went up. Market went up, came down. So every day you are seeing either buying followed by selling, or selling followed by buying. So this is what pattern that is repeating from almost 8 to 10 days. Same pattern from here. If you count, it is almost 10 days. Market is in this range, repeating the same pattern from 10 days. Okay, if market is first half it is buying, second half it is selling. If first half it is selling, second half it is buying. That's it, as simple as that. So today if you see, as I said, market will open gap up, came down, tested this level, and again 15 minutes candle created. From here you have seen the rally. So yesterday also I said this is the max level which I'm seeing for the upside. Again, this is the extra movement which market made today. Okay, now tomorrow, what is our view? Tomorrow, just keep it simple. Downside, there is no view for me. In case if I see any trades, any ideas for the downside, I will be posting in my free WhatsApp community. For upside, if market opens flat, comes back, test this level, and here if you see a 5 minutes green candle, then below this will be your sell, this will be your entry above the candle, and this will be your first target, 24,392 411. But above this, if a 15 minutes candle close, then you will be seeing a short covering rally till here, till 24,622 655 zone. So this is the max move that I'm seeing for Bank Nifty tomorrow. Okay, but if market opens gap up, good gap up like 100 150 points gap up in Nifty, wait for this level to retest and see if a 3 minutes or 5 minutes green candle closing here, then here you can keep your stop loss, here is your entry, and again you can look for this target, wait for this target. You might get this tomorrow or you might get this on Friday, but you can wait for your target with your trailing stop loss. So this is my view in Nifty. Above this level, again we have small resistance here, so this is the max target which I'm seeing for tomorrow. Again, Friday we might see some big move either side, but for tomorrow this is the max upside level I'm seeing in Nifty. Hope my levels are helping you. So just follow these levels. Okay, these are not just normal levels for the market to respect our levels. So we are not doing any magic. We are just following pure price action, and these levels are derived from pure price action. So that is why market is respecting our levels, nothing more than that. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video. So let's see how market will move tomorrow. But for downside, don't trade with huge quantity. In case if you are seeing some setup, just trade with very less quantity. If you are trading with 10 lots, trade with 5 lots. If you are trading with 5 lots, trade with 2 lots for the downside. Even for upside also, don't go with full quantity tomorrow. Quantity should be very less either side. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video.